Chat with ARIA, Opera's browser AI chat. Okay, let's see. I have logged in, so let's see what we have here. Reuse prompts. Use the up and down arrows to cycle through your previous question prompts. Is this voice activated or not? All right, let's try. Tell me a joke. Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything. Okay. Is Linux better than Windows? Now let's see what this one says. ARIA. Waiting. Oh, I think I stumped it. Come on. The question of whether Linux is better than Windows is subjective and depends on individual preferences and needs. Okay. Advantages of Linux, open source, stability, customizations, performance. Advantages of Windows, user-friendly, software game compatibility, hardware support. Windows has better support. Industry standard is a dominant operating system. Ultimately, the choice between Linux and Windows depends on your specific needs, technical expertise, and preference. It's a good idea to try out both operating systems and see which one suits you best. I think that's a fair assessment there, ARIA. Let's see. Let's try something silly. Are blondes sexier than brunettes? Just for fun. Attraction and perceptions of attractiveness are subjective. Okay. It can vary from person to person. Yeah. Both blondes and brunettes can be equally attractive. It's important to embrace and appreciate the diversity and uniqueness of individuals, regardless of hair color. ARIA, I must say, well done. Well done. I like it. Check out Opera Browser with ARIA.